And here we have Sweetheart Falls, at least on the upper portion of it. Big pond, big deep pond. Pretty cool. A lot of bluffage. Do be careful when you're walking out here, folks. I just stepped on a down pine limb and the little branches went right through my shoe. Foot's probably bleeding. Howdy folks, Shawn here from Hiking with Shawn on YouTube, and today I am at Gum Springs Road area, which some people call Cedar Wonders, and it's pretty cool. I'm hoping, because of the water flow, that there'll be some really good waterfalls out here from the snow melt and the water and so on, and just all around good time. And here we got a waterfall. Pretty cool one. Yeah, not bad. And here we have Buffalo Rock. There she is. It's old. It's deteriorating, but there's still a little bit. Man, it's a really cool shelter. Yep, really good view of the creek. Alrighty folks, found us another little waterfall. Pretty cool. Nice little shelter behind it. Always fun. Still on the Buffalo Trail, as I call it. Yeah, really nice fall. Cool shelter. Alrighty folks, just in case you're ever cold and wet and you want to take a little relaxing rest, here's Fort Gum Springs. But it is pretty dry in here, and a little fire ring and little reinforced walls, and you got a little view of the forest. It really is the perfect shelter area. So there you go. Take you a little break. Alright folks, this is the current conditions. Sleet and snow. Maybe just a little bit of freezing rain, but that's alright. Ain't gonna stop me. It's too pretty out here. Pretty area. And check this little spot out. Talk about cool. That is very cool. Snow and sleet feels like it's letting up a little bit. And more beauty. Kind of following the creek since there's no real viable way to cross. And look at that folks. Talk about cool. Pretty cool. Cool. Isn't that cool? Cool. You know who I'm talking about when I say cool. That is cool. Very cool. Don't you agree, Tom? Alrighty, folks. Cool little bit of foundation for you from former settlement. And finally made it across the creek. Didn't get the feet too wet. pretty much got them wet after crossing the creek. But I mean, they're both pretty soaked. I don't care though, it doesn't feel too bad. But pretty neat little old building. Alrighty folks, to honor Mr. Joe Littleton, this generalized area is Easter Basket Falls. So Joe, if you're watching, enjoy. And everyone enjoy the cool waterfalls. One up there, little ones. There's bigger ones. Just want to check these out first, because they're really cool. Cool. Yeah. Check that out. There's Easter Basket Falls. Easter Basket Cascade. Even a little fall right here. A little cutesy. Pretty cool. And here we have Easter Basket Falls at its best. And over here, thought this is kind of cool. Got a little natural shelter cave. Thought that was interesting. And the cascade. How about that? Oh yeah. Alrighty. Gonna have to leave this fall alone and go look for another one. They're out here. Plenty of falls. Alrighty. More waterfallage. On this Triple Falls. And then if you turn here, there's little trickles. A pretty cool little ordeal. Beautiful area. Very beautiful. Alrighty folks. This is another no-name fall. I'll just call it Halfway Fall. How about that? Halfway in between Sweetheart and Easter Basket. Bill Gilmore probably has a name for it, or Joe Littleton. But it's a little guy, pretty cool. Alrighty. And just a short way from the no-name falls is this little Rudy area with all sorts of little falls, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah, here we go. Little guy, but still fun. Alrighty. Another little waterfall, but I like how it has a nice little pond. And of course, on another shelter. Natural shelter. It's really cool. Tiny little guy though. And here's Sweetheart Falls. Isn't that cool? Yeah. Sweetheart Falls. Still trying to snow. Look at that though. Cool falls. Nice pool, nice big deep pool. Definitely not gonna go skinny dipping today. Alrighty folks. This is a cemetery out in the middle of nowhere. We literally bushwhacked probably a third of a mile to get here. And it's pretty cool, but it also has this cool plaque. And I will hold the camera still so you can pause it and read it, because that's a whole lot of words. Alrighty folks, found this cool little dude. Couldn't tell you what the name of it is. I am totally off trail. Trying to get back before it gets too dark, and decided to just cut through the forest. But pretty cool. I heard it and thought, oh, side trip. And pretty neat. Alrighty folks, taking a stroll through the pines on a trail this time. Done quite a bit of off-trail exploration, just taking shortcuts and whatnot. So decided to stay on trail. Looked at the maps and we're heading in the right direction anyway, so just saw a bunch of whitetails frolicking, but they're gone. They probably heard us and hightailed it out of here. But this is a pretty decent trail, well marked. There's all sorts of orange ribbons, and it's pretty used. You can really figure out there's a trail here. Not a lot of horse damage, so